So guys, here are the latest results from my AI disputing software. If you want to learn how to start your own credit repair business, hit me up. So first we're gonna start off with TransUnion, man. We got about 8 accounts deleted from their TransUnion report. On the second round sent, we're gonna be sending in more rounds. Then we also got 1 inquiry deleted. Let's go check out Experian now. Still kind of waiting for some things to update on Experian, but we got 2 inquiries deleted. Equifax. Now we got 8 accounts deleted from their Equifax credit report. If you guys want to learn how to be able to delete stuff like this and start your own credit repair business, hit me up. I'll be